Don't you see Windlow Road? Okay, coming out of every. It's coming out of every. This place is flooded. This showroom and these houses.
We're mental.
Look at these all filming it that thing. Look at this out road in Midlet Road. Look.
Lightning. Why are you driving about in it then?
I think it's funny. There's a big hole in Car Lane. All water just come through the road. This isn't as bad, it's 100 times worse than this when I come down. A lot worse. But this is when your car will start moving, when you get a back up behind you like this.
Well, do you think you better go home?
No, it's not as bad as what I've gone out. It's no, no.
Oh my god. Then look at that, you.
Look at that, it's getting higher now, it's gone down. We're proper flying out.
What?
Look at the garage here.
Right.
All going in. It's nowhere near as deep as what it was. Oh, this, we're all up to these houses. Coming down these steps like a waterfall. Stopped now, we're flying down there. Look at that. The steps.
Whoa! It's
Cool.
It's gone. It's most of it's gone.
Let's go.
So there.
Why?
You think I'm mental ruining the car?